Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. I got me a unique subject here. I found this guy, the little guy at my local Goodwill, and I was kind of thinking about my Pastor Mike's PT Cruiser convertible he has, and this just happened to find me on one of the shelves. So I bought it, got it home, and as you can see, I tore it apart. Got the rims weighed in because he has a black one with flames, so I gotta find some flame decals for it. I gotta figure out what color his interior is, and yeah, this little project only set me back for $4, which ain't bad. And I thought I'd share it with you guys, and I want to show you what else. So at the same Goodwill, they had this in the puzzle area, complete kit. It's a 1/43rd scale Peugeot 905. And completely all there. Decals, let me see. Decals. I could be wrong, but they do look a little dry. But I'm not real familiar with the Heller decals, so maybe somebody in the comments will let me know what they would say about the decals. But they look okay from what I'm seeing here. And everything is in this kit. Got those little tiny tires. Got two axles there, and it's a little race car, guys. So yeah, you gotta definitely check your Goodwills and your thrift stores, cause you never know when you find this kind of stuff. And for like a fraction of what Hobby Lobby or a hobby shop would charge for it. Now, I'm sure this is like probably $30-$40 kit at a hobby shop. Probably once you get done paying for it, like overseas or whatever. So I thought I'd just do a video about that and my new project that I also found at Goodwill. So just want to thank everybody for watching the video, and y'all have a good night. And don't forget to search those thrift stores, Goodwills, yard sales, and your grandpa and grandma's attics and garages. You never know where those model kits can be hiding. All right, y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching, guys. All right, bye.